March 25th, 2023, at approximately 10:40 p.m., 4 officers from the Chicago Police Department were on patrol when they responded to reports of shots fired near the 2200 block of South Sacramento Avenue. During their response, officers arrested 2 juveniles and recovered 2 handguns. However, once the juveniles were placed in handcuffs, backup arrived, but not for the officers.
Oh shit! 1064 boy, emergency. Shots fired. Emergency. Watch out! Hey!
The shooter, visible for only a moment, is seen here dressed in black and running for cover once an officer returns fire.
10-1! Shots fired by the police!
As 2 officers move down the alley in cautious pursuit of the shooter, a 3rd officer secures bystanders, while a 4th continues to secure the arrested juveniles.
Get the f*** out of here!
10-1 overhead.
Get out of here!
42
Stay the f*** down. Stay the f*** down.
Can you untie this?
No, shut up. By the boulevard, by 23rd Marshall. 23rd Marshall.
And let me call my girl.
Shut the f*** up. Shut the f*** up. Shut the f*** up.
Can I get up now?
No, you stay the f*** down too. Get the f*** down right now.
What's the offender look like?
Chicago Police! Chicago Police! Chicago Police! Westbound! Hey!
A third-party security camera shows a group of individuals fleeing from the direction of the gunshots. They scatter only when they hear a police siren from a patrol car responding to the request for backup.
Eastbound! One in black is found! We got multiple! We got police!
All great! All great!
Report location, 240 Sacramento, going westbound.
23rd and Marshall! Hey! Put your hands up! Put your hands!
One officer attempts to detain 2 suspects, but they refuse to stop. The officer breaks away when he hears fellow officers calling for help.
Over here!
Right here!
Yo!
10-4, you got the air.
Let me see your f***ing hands! Get down! Get down! Get down!
Alright, you got it? Who's that unit with 10-6 boy?
You got nothing?
10-6 boy!
Stop it!
10-6 boy, go ahead, you got the air.
Rico!
I don't got my cuffs.
I got mine. Get down here and...
I don't got my cuffs.
I have mine, you dipshit.
Alright, running just 20-second plate. How many people are we looking for?
Shit.
Is
anyone else over here?
There's a group of them, one shot at us. Shots fired back by police.
Oh, fuck. Are you guys on shot?
One shot.
You guys on shot?
Shots fired back by police. What's the offender look like?
Yeah, I saw. Get up.
10-6 boy, what's the offender description?
Meanwhile, back with the arrested juveniles,
I said get the f*** down! Shut the f***, get the f*** down! I don't give a f***. Sit down then. Sit the f*** down. I'm telling you, sit the f*** down. Sit the f*** down. Alright? Sit the f*** down. Sit the f*** game.
Sacramento.
Alright, thank you. Alright, you all just got shot at. Alright, calm down. Sit down. Dude, take a seat. Take a seat, you too. Take a seat. Take a seat in your ass. One of the guys that's over there.
Yeah, 2240 South Sacramento. I heard the last thing running towards 72nd, please. What's the description, 10-6 boy?
This guy shot.
10-6 boy is right off black. No, it's not. It's 10 Will.
What?
Was there a guy in all white? Because there was a guy in all
Okay,
white.
the offenders that we're looking for.
Is there more? There's one guy that shot at.
Hey, where are the guys at? The guys that we had in custody.
Where's from? California.
Where the f*** is it, dude?
What?
Where the f*** is it?
10-6 boy.
With the gun. fuck is the gun, dude?
Check plate 22 plays in Cali.
I don't got no gun.
22 plays in Cali. That's probably what it ranked. Alright. One wearing gray. Alright, 7-4, California.
Hey, dude, last time I saw 2
three
guys
wearing
running
black,
that way.
one wearing gray.
Yeah, but then I saw you guys calling for help over here.
Because I saw these guys running from right over here. I saw him.
I ran. No, keep looking. There's like 2 more. They went somewhere that way. Wearing all black and gray.
Hey, look around. There might be a gun somewhere around here.
You want him in my
They were,
car?
yeah.
What am I detained for?
He's just detained right now. But they shot over there in the alley, and they came running this way.
Everyone's good?
Yeah.
They're coming this way, we're looking around here.
Yeah. So they were. Oh, right here. Right here.
An officer recovers a Ruger LCP-2, equipped with a laser sight and an extended magazine loaded with live rounds.
I touched it. 1064 boy. I found it. Shit, I know.
10-6-4.
I got it.
What was that
Yes,
one?
well, we got
Yeah,
3
we got a bag.
possible.
Was that the first one we got? Or is that the
20
one now?
second place.
1064 boy.
What am I being
Dude, you're being detained right now.
for what?
10-6-4, go ahead.
We have a firearm recovered at Marshall and 23rd.
Do me a favor, sit the f down, dude.
Alright, Marshall and
Sit down.
23rd
Sit
for
down.
weapon repair, 2250 on the clock.
There's like 2 more.
Slow it down, slow it down.
Getting shot at.
What's that?
Sit, right?
Yeah, that's it. This is a firearm. Yeah. I accidentally touched it. I'm sorry.
What's that?
That's another one. We were just at the King's Block right now.
The 2 juveniles who were arrested after officers came under fire were charged with unlawful use of a weapon and multiple counts of aggravated assault on a peace officer. At the time of publication, little additional information was available regarding the status of the cases due to Illinois privacy laws. For context, Chicago's homicide rate is comparable to that of Louisville, Kentucky, and Cincinnati, Ohio, and remains significantly lower than the homicide rates in Baltimore, Maryland, St. Louis, Missouri, and New Orleans, Louisiana. On a national scale, areas with the highest homicide rates per 100,000 residents are generally concentrated along the lower Mississippi River, the Deep South, and parts of the Sun Belt. Elevated homicide rates also tend to be concentrated in urban areas rather than rural communities. However, the United States contains a wide range of cities with vastly different levels of violent crime. For example, both Lincoln, Nebraska, and New York City rank among the safest cities in the country, despite their very different economic, political, and geographic characteristics.